going to make a video, and this video is of making a text-to-speech app. So this is how your app will look and completed. So let's get started. So I always make 2-part videos, but since it's so small, I think it's gonna be a 1-part video. So quickly type weekly and click on enter, and now let it load for a second. Okay, so now I follow some basic rules which I usually make to make an app. So I go down, I click on align horizontal, I click on center click, and the app name I write, the background remains, I do not choose anyone, and I click on back for background color, and I go down. Screen orientation, I always use portrait. In case of game, I use a landscape, and then I change the title from screen 1 to speakly. Okay, that's it. And now let's go up and now start designing. So I'm going to add a label. For the label is not for some labeling purpose. It's for space, to get some space because it's easy for beginners. And then you can use the image if you want a logo. Oops, date picker, I just did. Okay, let's delete this one. Okay, and click on image and drag and drop this, and choose a picture you want. If you don't want, you cannot. You can just leave it as it is, and you don't need to post any logos, anything. So a normal logo, I think, should be of 100 pixels. Oops, 100 pixels. So the same for the width and the height. So click on enter, scale picture to fit, and now let's add another label. Now delete the text for label 2, click on enter, drag and drop a button, change the text for button 1 to speak, all capitalized, click on enter. So now as you've seen, there's no place for typing, so we drag and drop a text box, and between that another label, delete the label, okay, and click on enter. So that's it, and now we shall go to code the whole project. And before we go to code, there are just a few things I wanted to make sure because they can be easily forgotten. So choose the 1 second. Go to screen 1 and then choose the theme from classic to device default because it's the best option. And then you can add the text to speech button because that's the most wanted thing in the whole project, because that's the only component that's used for turning the whole project more real, right? Because that's the component that makes the text converted into speech. So go down and click on this button 1. When button 1 click, do, and you can drag and drop text box text to speech, and this purple one called text to speech speak message, and you can drag and drop any block here, and it should have a closing lock, and click on the background color and change the background color to text. So it's all ready for now, and let's test that. So for testing, we need to click on connect and click on AI companion. And now we can scan the QR code or the code that is written there by downloading the M80 companion app in Play Store. So now I have the downloaded version of the app, and now I'm going to show you how to get inside App Inventor and scan the QR code.